know the camera's all over the place and you can't see anything.
It can see you. It can see you.
You wonder if that got broken when the fender got broken? No. After I got a tire yesterday, coming in my driveway, I let somebody rush me getting in the driveway, and when I came in, the tire went down in the culvert and drug on that bar and broke it off. Along with all my other failures that I've had lately, you can add that on there. I don't know what's going on with my driving habits. You'd think I was a rookie again all over after 20 years. Maybe I'm getting like Joe Biden and I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
Yeah, currently Dad has a S21 Ultra. I still have a Samsung S9. That phone's old at this point. Like, I think it's like at least 7 years old. And then Mom also has a 21. Then we have a backup phone, which is an A12, which is what I'm filming on right now. Do you think you'd ever get a Samsung tablet or watch or laptop or anything like that?
I already have a Samsung tablet.
No, that's a Microsoft tablet.
Well, I don't see me getting another.
Yeah, you have a Microsoft tablet, not a Samsung one. This phone is fun, and I cannot say more. Don't think you'll ever get a Samsung watch?
No, I never want one of those for.
I would love a Samsung watch. What about some Galaxy Buds? What about a Galaxy Buds? What about a pair of Galaxy Buds?
I don't need any of that stuff.
What about Smart Tag?
So you take any of that phone to be out here fixing my stuff for me?
No, but still, what about Smart Tag? What about, whatever it's called, Galaxy Buds? What about Watch, like the Galaxy Watch? What about any of the phones, the laptops, the tablets? Yeah, if I were in that place, I would just buy every single Samsung product to ever exist. And then every single Nintendo product if I had enough left. Then every single Google and Microsoft product. And then every single Sega product. Just like...